Hello, in this video I will show you how to export your invoices to PDF and therefore print them. So here I'm on an invoice, and as you can see there's a print icon with three options. The first one is print, print in customer's local, and print GL impact. So print, when I click on it, is going to export it as a PDF that you can print or save, etc. Obviously, mine looks ugly because I haven't customized my NetSuite instance. Yours probably already is customized. At least I would hope it doesn't look like that. The second option is print in customer's local. That's going to be the same, with the difference that it will be translated in the customer's preferred language if you have set that up. And the third one is print GL impact. So GL stands for General Ledger. Again, mine is not customized. And a General Ledger impact statement in NetSuite is a report that shows the financial accounting impact of transaction on the General Ledger accounts. It details how each transaction affects the General Ledger accounts, helping you understand the financial implications of the activities within NetSuite. So you're probably familiar with that. If you're not, you probably don't need it. Otherwise, feel free to Google it. Maybe I'll do a video about it. Obviously, this export of PDF that you've just seen is not the most practical because you need to go in the list of invoices, find the invoice, go print, and then download and then drag and drop to your email, etc., to send it to your customers. So for that, I would recommend that you look at Kolleno, which is the SuiteApp for NetSuite. That's one of the leading ones to send that automatically to your customers so they can receive that invoice on time according to a schedule that you define before it is due and when they become overdue. That's it for today. Bye bye.